So one of the things that you may want to do is share out your individual photos with others. So in order to do that, you can actually go ahead and select a particular photo right here by clicking on it and then by clicking on share right here. So once you do this, you can actually go ahead and then add in, let's say, people that you want to share this out with, just like this. So you can type in a message and say, how's this picture? And the other person will be able to receive it once you go ahead and share this out right here, just like this. So you've shared this out with others, as you can see right here. You can go ahead right here and then, let's say, for example, type in an email address over here, just like this as well, and then simply say see this photo. So you can type in some message and then it'll be sent out to others as a chat right here. So this is what you have. Apart from that, you can also create a public link right here. So once you go ahead and create a link right here by using this method, now you can share this link out with anyone on the web. And then as long as they have that link, they will be able to access out that link right here publicly, as you can see like this as well. So that is how you can actually go ahead and share out individual photos by using Google Photos. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.